Friends, today is discuss about 4th and 3rd May 2020 current affairs. And if you like this video, please subscribe our channel and share our videos. And please like this video. The first question is, a new national e-commerce marketplace named Bharat Market is set to be launched soon to bring 95% of retail traders on board the platform. The portal will be launched by which body? Answer is Confederation of All India Traders. And second question is, name the newly appointed Chief Risk Officer of Yes Bank. Answer is Neeraj Dhawan. And third question is, World Press Freedom Day is observed on which day globally every year? Answer is May 3. And fourth question is, the ebook titled Professor B. Lal India Rediscovered has been prepared by which ministry as tribute to the great Indian archaeologist Professor B. Lal? Answer is Ministry of Culture. And fifth question is, name the app launched by CSIR Central Road Research Institute, New Delhi, for the farmers to help them connect to supply chain and free transformation management system amid COVID-19 crisis. Answer is Kisan Sabha. And sixth question is, how much amount of financial aid has been announced by the World Bank for India to enhance and safeguard the coastal and marine resources of the country? Answer is USD 450 million. And seventh question is, the International Spring Astronomy Day 2020 was scheduled to be observed on which day? Answer is 2nd May. And eighth question is, when is the International Dhawan Chorus Day celebrated globally? Answer is first Sunday in May. And ninth question is, the song titled Hum Har Nahi Maneje has launched by which bank to keep hopes up amidst the ongoing national lockdown and coronavirus pandemic? Answer is HDFC Bank. And 10th question is, Jammu and Kashmir has recently received the GI tag for Luck and Monarch Gucci. These are the variety of which product? Answer is saffron. And 11th question is, Sandeep Kumari has been banned by WADA for 4 years for flunking dope test. She is related which sports? Answer is discus throw. And 12th question is, K.S. Nisar Ahmad passed away recently, aged 84. He was renowned poet of which language? Answer is Kannada. And 13th question is, the COVID-19 fundraiser concert I for India was launched by Bollywood in collaboration with which entity recently? Answer is Facebook. And 14th question is, RBI has cancelled the license of the CKP Co-operative Bank Limited due to non-compliance to various sections of Banking Regulation Act and RBI Act. Where is the head office of the CKP Co-operative Bank Limited based? Answer is Mumbai. And 15th question is, the International Firefighters Day is observed every on which day? Answer is May 4th. And 16th question is, the mobile app CHD COVID has been launched by which state to provide all information related to COVID-19 issued by government? Answer is Chandigarh. And 17th question is, name the Indian state which has announced to launch the Mukhyamantri Sahari Rozgar Guarantee Yojana, under which 120 days assured employment will be provided to people living in urban areas? Answer is Himachal Pradesh. And 18th question is, name the ministry which advises the National Informatics Center NIC to facilitate implementation of Supreme Court order on limited registration of BS4 vehicles? Answer is Ministry of Road Transport and Highways. And 19th question is, name the Indian state which proposed by novel contraption portable multi-feed oxygen manifold. It's called MOM. Answer is Andhra Pradesh. And 20th question and final question is, National Board of Wildlife NBWL has allowed to use a part of the Dihing Patka Elephant Reserve for coal mining recently? The Elephant Reserve is located in which state? Answer is Assam. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel guys, and please support me, and thanks for watching this video.